Okay, Jared Nestor here, and this is our group project for Csci 6710 Fall 2014. Our group consists of 3 members. I and all of us are part-time students in the master's program software engineering, and we all work as full-time software developers. So our project, we chose to focus on cloud computing. We set out to research the advantages of cloud computing when developing software applications and ask the question, can cloud computing technologies benefit a software development project? We focused our research on 2 platforms, Dropbox and Microsoft Azure. And then we built an e-commerce application utilizing Microsoft Azure, which we will demo at the end of this presentation. Cloud computing. So cloud computing is technology which allows for centralized data storage on a large group of network servers. This data can be accessed through a multitude of ways. There are many advantages that we discovered through our research, a few of which include deployment, scalability, ease of collaboration, and low cost. The first paper that we reviewed talked in detail about Dropbox. The paper itself details an in-depth study performed in Europe showing the massive popularity of Dropbox, the typical user experience with the application, and possible performance bottlenecks which were found along the way. The popularity of Dropbox. So Dropbox currently has over 50 million users, which upload over 500 million files daily. The company's been in business only since 2007, so you can see the widespread popularity of cloud-based storage with Dropbox leading the way. The study discovered Dropbox to be the overwhelmingly most widely used storage application. The typical user experience, it was discovered that there are a wide variety of Dropbox users, ranging from non-existent users, people who just set up an account and forget about it, never to use it, just like the little icon on their computer or something, and go to the highly active user exchanging large amounts of data on a daily basis, uploading and downloading files all the time. The study found that only 40% of users were using the full functionality of Dropbox, which includes sharing folders, uploading files, downloading files, synchronization, and a large number of other things. And 1/3 of the users completely abandoned the application during the 42-day study. So the possible performance bottlenecks which were found in the study, the main one was that the data centers, although Dropbox, half of its users reside in other countries, Dropbox is a centralized service in the United States. So the data's got to go a long way to reach all these other countries, and adding data centers in those countries would help the application's performance tremendously. One other performance enhancement suggestion that they came up with was to bundle small chunks of data when stored in files. It was found that the most transactions performed in Dropbox were actually very, very small storage updates to files and such. So if they can somehow combine these transactions, the small ones, into larger chunked transactions, it'll reduce the total transaction number and in turn help the performance of the application. I'll now pass it on to Lindsay, my other team member, to talk to you about a few things such as deployment and scalability and other papers we found.